Look at these two circles. Which one looks bigger? If you're like most people, you'd probably say the one on the right. But what if I told you they're actually the same size? This is the Ebbinghaus illusion, a psychological trick where our perception is distorted by what surrounds us. When something is placed next to larger objects, it seems smaller than it actually is. But when you remove those distractions, you see it for what it truly is. And that got me thinking, could this illusion be affecting the way we see ourselves? Think about it. How often do you feel like your goals are too big? Like no matter how hard you try, you're never enough. The truth is, it's not your goals that are the problem. It's how you see them. Imagine the orange circle is you, and the blue circles around it are your goals, challenges, and dreams. If your goals seem massive and out of reach, they can overwhelm you, triggering fear, self-doubt, and procrastination. You'll find yourself stuck, scrolling endlessly on your phone, watching Netflix, or doing anything except what you actually need to do. Not because you're lazy, but because your brain sees your goal as too big, too impossible, and it tries to protect you from failure. But what happens when we break our goals down into smaller, more manageable steps? Suddenly they don't seem so scary. Instead of saying, I need to read 12 books this year, try I'll read 5 pages a day. Instead of, I need to get in shape, say, I'll do just 5 push-ups today. Small steps feel achievable. Achievability leads to action, and action leads to momentum. This illusion doesn't just apply to your goals, it applies to your problems too. When we see our challenges as enormous, we feel powerless. But when we break them down, just like in the illusion, we start to see that we are bigger than our problems. And when that shift happens, everything changes. So next time you catch yourself procrastinating, doubting, or feeling stuck, remember this illusion. Your mind is playing a trick on you. Change your perception, and you change everything. As Wayne Dyer once said, when you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change.